Hello and welcome to Just Birnie's Bar and Taverna Guide. Now we are all the way over in Hania. This beach bar is actually part of the Hotel Christina, but everybody's allowed in, which is fantastic. You have a little bar here. The hotel is just behind me. This is a little cantina here, and then you have all of the beachfront for a lovely, relaxing day. Now, believe it or not, I wasn't going to make a video from here, but we have had such a lovely time. I mean, the beach is okay, it's busy, but it's felt really quiet. You pay separately for that, it's 10 euros for the sun lounger. Obviously, it might change the pricing of that. And just behind me, which is the cantina, the food has been excellent. Okay, it's beach snacky food, but it is absolutely amazing, and the price is exceptional. I mean, really, really, really. And then of course you've got the little bar just behind me. All of the people that work here have been wonderful, and of course you then get to swim in that fantastic sea there. And then if you did want to go for a walk to the old town of Hania, it's literally like a 30-minute steady stroll just all the way around, which again is beautiful.